DEE Tutors, bringing learning to your doorstep.
Are you ready to ace your JAMB UTME and secure admission into your dream university in 2024? If your response is in affirmative, then look no further than DEE Tutors 60-hour plus intensive marathon classes starting on the 8th to 17th of April 2024. Students are engaged academically for at least 10 hours per day, that is, from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. In the marathon class, you should be expecting exhaustively intensive revision classes. And every class is taught as a seminar where our expert tutors with over a decade experience teaching JAMB UTME will be dishing out the top rare secrets and shortcuts on how to excel in each subject. Also, there will be daily JAMB standard CBT mock tests, intensive orientation on JAMB UTME, counseling and motivation sessions by experts, certified educational psychologists with well-monitored daily exam focus, past question, studying group sessions. Lest I forget, there will also be refreshment to keep our students energetically focused throughout the day. The financial investment for existing students is just 15,000 naira, while external students is to join for 20,000 naira. In case you don't know, our marathon classes are tested and trusted. Over the years, the marathon classes have produced students who have scored 280 plus and 300 plus that are already offered admission on merit in Nigerian first class universities studying their dream courses. So what are you waiting for? Limited spaces are available. So call or WhatsApp us today. Thank you.
DEE Tutors, bringing learning to your doorstep.